Hello, in front of me I've got ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv. In this video I'll show you how to fill the water tank. In the beginning, lift up the lid of the charging dock and lift the water tank. Next, open it by unlocking this part. You can fill this water tank with tap water. To prevent damage, do not use any disinfectant and only use cleaning solution recommended by ROBOROCK. Do not add too much cleaning solution to prevent the robot from working improperly due to sleeping. To avoid deformation, only use cold water. If any water stains remain on the outside of the water tank, wipe them with soft dry cloth before reinstalling the tank. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.